Hi there, and welcome to the CAS alt text tutorial, where today we'll be learning how to add alt text to images using the Communication Arts Content Management System. This is a new university policy where all existing images on the CAS website, including those within departments, have to have alt text added for people with disabilities. So the first thing we need to do is access the content management system, and we go to cas.msu.edu/login. That should bring us to our login page there. And we go ahead and enter our username and password. Now for you, those of you that have used the content management system before, this is a bit of a refresher. But for anyone that's new, you'll notice these three new boxes appear down here. And the one we want to access right now is admin. That takes us to our admin home, or the control panel. You see we have a lot of different options. We're going to be manipulating HTML pages, so we need to go ahead and click on the pages link under content. And this will bring up a new HTML folder structure here. This will be all the HTML pages contained within the site will appear over here on the left. We'll just wait for the server to recognize us. There we go. So if we just expand this pages folder out, you'll see a listing of a bunch of different folders. If you were working inside a departmental folder, all your HTML pages would be inside of here. For now, we've created a test folder, and we'll be just using this for now to show you how to add the alt text. And we've got a preview here, and you notice there's a blank window here. So the first thing we need to do is add an actual image. So if you come up here, you'll see the Insert Media pop up there. We'll go ahead and click on that button. And this gives us a preview of our media library where all the media for the CAS website is stored. So if we scroll down here, you see I have a test folder here too as well, where we just have some random images stored. And we'll go ahead, and what we're going to be doing today is adding the desert landscape JPEG. So we'll just highlight that. Now you notice this nice little preview appear here, but before we go any farther, as far as inserting the media, we need to add the alt text. Now this is the important part. If you notice up here on the top of the page, there's three tabs. The one we need to click on is Properties. Now down at the very bottom, if you skip by all this stuff, at the very bottom there's a description label and a field box. So what we want to do is add in alt text. Now alt text is basically text that describes an image for people that can't see it. For the blind that use screen readers, for people that can't see very well that use screen readers, it's basically just a way for them to understand what the image is that you have on the page since they can't see it. So we try to give it something pretty descriptive. In this case, the name of the JPEG works pretty well. We'll call it Desert Landscape. And every image on the entire CAS website needs to have one of these alt text descriptions. So again, when you're in the media library, you want to highlight your picture, go up top to Properties, and add the alt text in the description field. Now we're ready to go ahead and insert. So we'll click the Insert button. Now immediately you should know a difference. There's the picture appears in our little preview box there, and if we hover over it, you'll see a new little desert landscape pop-up box appears. We'll go ahead and do that again. That's our alt text. That's a way that we can tell that we've actually done this correctly. If nothing appears, you need to go back in and add that in the Properties tab. So for now, we'll publish this. That finalizes it, and we see our confirmation message there. And if we wanted to see what this would actually look like on our website, we can go up here and click View Live. This will actually preview this in as an HTML page. You can see this is what it would look like here. And if we hover over it, you'll see the pop-up box appear again. And that's just a test to make sure that you know you've added the alt text. And again, every image on the site needs to have one of these. So that's how you add alt text to an image using the content management system.